Hello everyone, welcome to my channel ASP.NET Core, and today I'm going to show you how to edit multiple images in ASP.NET Core. And uh, you know that how to edit images in ASP.NET Core, but the multiple images is the big task for everyone. And everyone tell me in the comment section, sir, please send me the codes. So first of all, I will show you some demonstration of the multiple images in ASP.NET Core in how to edit it. How to edit. Okay. So in the product, you know that a product class and the images class, a product have multiple images, you know that. So in between we have a one-to-many mappings, and you know that a product have some attributes or properties like ID and name and pictures also. So you know that in the images we have a ID, you are in the product ID. So the actually images is dependent on the product table, you can say, because the product ID is mentioned in the images table. And in the edit, the major big task in this video tutorial, that is the how to edit images. Insert images is the simple task, but lots of people asking me, sir, how to edit that, how to edit images, multiple images in ASP.NET Core. So there is a not big task, actually it's a simple task, you can say, and a very big and very easy task, you can say. So first of all, you know that in the database table, you know that a product have ID and the name. So ID 1 and 2, and their respective product is P1 and P2. And images is, you know that in the images table, when you insert multiple images related to the product IDs. So so images, we have ID, URL and the product ID. So you can say the short name is PID. Okay, and respective images is ID is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and the URL is mentioned, that is i1.png, i2.png, and i3, i4, i5 and i6. There is the name of the images, you can say. Remember that is the point at here, that is the name of the images. Again I repeat, name of the images, that is i1.png, i2.png, i3.png. you know that the name is stored in the URL attribute of the image table, and respective ID is 1111 and 22. I mean to say that is the reference foreign keys. So here 1111 is related to the P1 product. Okay, so i1, i2, i3 and i4 is totally reference to the P1 product. So in the get section of the edit, you got a name field, we have a P1 and their respective images with their name is i1.png, i2.png, i3.png, i4.png, and okay, there is the 4 images. Okay, so in the get section, you will find 4 images with their respective product, that is P1, and that is the final button you got, that is the update changes. Okay, so how to edit p1.png, sorry, i1.png, i2.png, i3, i4, how to edit? So that button is button for the final submit, you can say. So how to edit images i1.png, i2.png, i3.png, i4.png? So first of all, when you click any image button, so you can consider that is 4 button. Okay, so each button is have a click function. Okay, when you click on single button at a time, so you can say each image working as button. Okay, so when you click on each image on, or you can say the single image, then pop-up will open for the upload new image. Suppose I'm drawing a pop-up for picking a new image for the section i1.png. Just I want to replace that image with the new one. Just I want to say. Okay, and it will take time. When we click on any image, you can say, then open that pop-up and you choose images from you notice that a single image, you notice that only single image you want to edit at a time. So submit, open and cancel. So when you click i1 dot, suppose you want click on i1.png, then open that pop-up and lots of images is there in the on your my computer. Okay, and you choose that one image at a time, and just I want to replace that image with the i1.png. That's it you want. Okay, so that is the first step. When you click i1.png, then open a new pop-up and choose image for the new one. And the logic behind that, you notice that that thing will you can do using jQuery Ajax. Okay, so that image is x.png. okay, that name is x.png. you want to replace with the i1.png you want. But notice that if you replace the x.png name with the i1.png, suppose you choose a new image and that name is x.png, but the logic behind that is the name is replace x.png replace with the i1.png. okay, so the same thing behind that, i1.png, i2.png, i3, i4, the name is same in the database, but the new picking the file name, that is x.png name, is replaced with the i1.png. okay, so image will be replaced successfully, and you notice that upload edit multiple images. That's the logic. So you notice that x.png is newly choosing your chooses your file name image. okay, replace with i1.png. so x1.png name, that is the newly chosen file name, and that name replace with the i1.png. so a upload folder have a new file, and also database have same name. There is no changes in the database. Again I tell you, there is no changes in the database, just only change in the name. okay, there is only change. We have 4 images. The first image i1.png will show on show, i2.png show, i3.png, i3 and i4, and you notice that x that is there, but after replace the name is i1.png, but photo will be changed because you change the name of the images, not in the database. There is no changes in the database, but only changes in the upload folder. That upload folder exists in the www root folder. okay, or you can say that images folder have a new image with the same name i1.png, but the image is changed. i2 is same, i3 and same. You notice that i1 is changed, but the name is same. So x.png, that is the newly chosen file name, is replaced with the i1.png. so folder have the same file name, and there is no changes in the database. And after that you will submit the after that you will click on the update changes button, and you notice that the name will be changed successfully, and there is no changes the name of the database, or you can say URL of the database. Okay, so only changes in the name, and that thing you can do with the jQuery. And tomorrow I will show you with the jQuery methods, and I will show you the simple thing and live tutorial and tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching this video. Keep watching all others.